Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make these shrimps or prawns, whatever you call them, with the shell on, garlic and chili. This is so easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so you can see I've got some the prawns in there. I've got 1 kg. Just want to show you them here. They've got their head on. All I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the head off, and then we're going to end up with that, with the shell on. Beautiful stuff. So here I've got like 1 kg or a couple of pound of shrimp. They're not that big, these ones. You can see the size of them. Not huge. I'll just show you one in my hand. Now, they had their head on. What I've done is I pulled their head off. I've kept the shell on. Now, a lot of you are going to ask me about the vein stuff inside. Usually when you pull the head off, you pull most of the vein out anyway. If you want, you can cut down there, slit down there and go right through it. I'm just going to go just like that today. By the way, with the head, if you want, you can discard it, or you can boil that up to make a nice fish stock. And what we're going to do is add some flavors to that. So what we've got is 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper. We're also going to add just about half a cup of sliced onion and the juice of 2 lemons. So what we're going to do is drop this in. You can see that I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in there and give that a mix. So in I go, going to give that a little mix up. Now if you want, you could put this in the refrigerator for an hour or 2 or 3, or you can go straight to the cooker like we're going to do today. Very simple. All right, so you're going to need a wok or a skillet or something like that. In there I've got some oil. I'm using the corn oil. You can use any oil you want. I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons there. High heat. What we're going to do is get these and drop them in. And because of the size of these ones, like I say, they're not huge, we're going to go just for 4 minutes stir frying around. So that's 4 minutes for me. Like I say, you can see they're not huge, these ones. If they're bigger, maybe do it for a couple of minutes longer. Off goes the heat. Half a cup here, spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them. And then here I've got some cilantro or coriander, again, whatever you call that. Parsley would also be beautiful in there. Job done, amazing. Okay, and there you go, that's it, job done. They are super easy to make, as you saw, and they're really delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.